In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge audio and video in CapCut PC. If you have a separate voice track, a music file, or a sound effect that you want to stay perfectly attached to your video while you edit, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The goal here is to combine those separate pieces into one connected clip, so you do not have to worry about them drifting out of sync later on. To begin, line up your media on the timeline. Drag your video clip down onto the main timeline track, then place your separate audio file on the track directly underneath the video. Once both clips are in place, click on the audio track and slide it left or right until it matches your footage correctly. A good way to do this is by looking at the waveform in the audio and comparing it to the action you see in the preview window. If there is a specific sound, movement, or spoken word you are syncing to, take your time here. This is the most important part because once the timing is correct, the rest only takes a few seconds. Next, select both the video and the audio together. One simple way to do this is to move your mouse to the side of the timeline, click and hold, and drag a selection box across both clips. If you prefer, you can also hold the Control key on your keyboard and click each clip one at a time. When both items are selected, you will see them highlighted with a white border. That visual outline confirms they are grouped in your selection and ready for the next step. Now it is time to merge them into a single file layer. Right-click on either one of the selected clips to open the Options menu. From that menu, click on Create Compound Clip. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Alt and G. As soon as you do that, CapCut will combine the separate audio and video layers into one cleaner clip on your timeline. At this point, your sound is locked to your footage. That means when you move the clip, trim it, or reposition it during editing, the audio and video stay together instead of slipping apart. This can make your workflow much easier, especially on projects with lots of edits. And that's it. Once your timeline alignment is finished, both layers are selected and the compound clip is created. You are done.